I assume you're here because your factory Ram interior lights are dim, they flicker, or they don't work. So here are the two differences. This is the one that I've already replaced. This is the one that is factory, much dimmer. This is much brighter. I know you're gonna like this better if you like to see in your truck at all. And today I'm gonna show you how to replace them. Not very hard. I'll post a link in the description of the pack of LEDs that I purchased for this. And let's get to it. So to start, take like a flat plastic tool and you will pry down on here. Now, you're gonna have some connections you'll have to remove from in here. This one, there's three of them that are fairly simple, and then this one, which is already disconnected, is a little more difficult. That's why I didn't attach it back. But with this first one here, all it is kind of press it forward a little, press the button down, and then push it back. That takes that one off. There's a light here. On this one, you will just kind of pry out each of the gray sides, and that one comes off like so. This red one, as I said, I did not plug it back in because it was a little bit of a pain in the butt, but as it's plugged in, you have to take a small screwdriver and come up from the top and kind of pry out the top here. It's held in by these two, so what I did was I took the screwdriver, came up from the top, and pried out the top sides to pull that out. And then this last one here is just a clip on this side right here, and you just squeeze it and pull it out. All right, so with this out, now you're going to want to take off this black piece here. Start with the front. Push them down and in. And once those are removed, it'll come off. For here, here's the factory one. This is the one that I already removed. You have to cut these tabs. I was trying to, I think when they put them on, I don't know if they expand, but you'll have to kind of take these tabs and just pull them off. I just use a small screwdriver. Just kind of break them off. Once they're broken off, you can then kind of pry this up and then pull out the factory light. Now here, I suppose you could just put it back in without these, but I'm reusing the silver piece. You probably don't need to, but what I will do is get my pack of lights and take one of these, put it back in here. Once that's in, I'll come back to this, take this piece off because I'm going to reuse the silver piece, but you just push that tab in right here, lift up, and then that piece comes off. And I will just kind of place this back on and push it down. And push it back on. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to take a little piece of duct tape and kind of tape them on there. Because the factory ones would be held up by the light being plugged in. Now that that's on, I'll just reinstall this. Of course, you got to put these tabs in first. And then clip it in. Now, just install it the reverse. So, I'll put this up and reinstall my clips. Make sure they both work before I put it back up. And then see these pins go into there, and that's how it's held in. Just make sure you line them up. And there you go. That's how I install some aftermarket LED lights. Much brighter, much better.